you don't know what it is, you better act like it is your boy Business. It's Gang Banging Media, man. So we out here on Amazon. Just ordered the body swap for my Notorious BIG, which is an Arrma Notorious 6S. You know what I mean? 8 scale. I want to do something different, man. You know, I don't like my stuff looking like everybody else's, so I like to add my own little spin on things. You know what I mean? So I came here to Amazon and got this Proline Racing 8 scale 1972 Chevy C10 long bed. It's gonna be a clear body monster truck, so you can paint it yourself or do your thing. It's gonna come with the wings, the decals, the whole 9 yards. But this is pretty much what you're getting here, man. You know what I'm saying? Got your decals here, pretty much cut and dry. $46.19. Don't take too long to be delivered. You know what I mean? So this is how we rocking. Mine just came in, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna paint that thing and let y'all see what I came up with. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. You already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get cracking. Yes, sir. Let's go, let's go. Hey. Get that thing cracked open. Okay, so we getting there. Cutting it all up now. She's getting there. You know what I'm saying? Proline, C10, long body. We getting there. 8 scale on the Notorious. Arrma Notorious. So I'm doing a whole custom job here. Yes, sir. So, to be continued. The Notorious BIG is finally finished, man. Yes, sir. Got them SWRCs on that thing. Ooh, looking tough. Y'all see it? You know what I mean? With them hot racing caps on that thing. Proline body all candied up. Y'all tell me what y'all think down below, man. Hot racing hood pins, you feel me? That Arrma thing is crazy. So look, this is what I'm trying to do too. I need y'all to recommend me a cool bumper setup. Like, I didn't like the way the bumper looked on the car. So, hey y'all, comment down below. Let me know what would be a crazy bumper setup to go on there. This is an Arrma Notorious 6S, which is the 8 scale joint. And yeah, man, I want something to come up and kind of, you know what I mean, got maybe a winch set up almost. Like, y'all let me know what y'all got down there, man, over some custom stuff that we can get. But look at the wheels on it, though. Sheesh. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some B-roll, man. So we got that green with that red popping, with that silver with them tinted windows. Yes, sirski. Also got that reef bad boy inside. Oh yeah, I took it there, man. I took it there. So we got a couple big upgrades right now, man. New body, new wheels, new servo. You know what I'm saying? Got the aluminum servo saver in that thing. Yes, sir. You know what I mean? GPM, Willy bar. Whoo! Let's get it smoking. We're gonna get some shots of that thing, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Comment down below. Let me know if y'all like it or not, man. That's that Arrma Notorious. That Arrma Notorious. B.I.G. Chevy C10.